Recent post, you said that money ignorance is what keeps people broke and dependent on the system. So how can people learn about how money works then?
Yeah, great question. So money ignorance or financial ignorance keeps people broke and dependent. And that is what the opposition wants. The opposition wants humans to be dependent on them. Big government grows, pharma grows, technology grows, like the big social media platforms grow, the media companies grow when they fearmonger, when they...
Quote, 10 side hustles you can start this weekend, no stocks, no real estate. Quote, looking to earn extra cash without diving into stocks or real estate? Whether you want to monetize a skill, tap into your creativity, or just make use of your free time, there are plenty of side hustles you can start as early as this weekend. No need for big investments or complex setups, just simple, practical ideas you can take action on right away. Here are 10 side hustles that are flexible, beginner-friendly, and perfect for getting started fast. 10. Freelance writing. Do you enjoy writing or find it easy to explain complex ideas in a clear, engaging way? If so, freelance writing might be the perfect side hustle for you. And it's one of the most accessible ways to start earning online. Every day, businesses, bloggers, and content agencies are looking for writers to craft articles, newsletters, product descriptions, social media posts, and website content. You don't need a degree in journalism to begin. What matters most is clarity, creativity, and reliability. To get started, you can create a simple portfolio using a few writing samples, either personal blog posts, mock projects, or guest articles. Then, explore freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger to find your first gigs. With time, effort, and a bit of consistency, this side hustle can grow into a reliable income stream and even lead to long-term client relationships or a full-time writing career. Virtual assistants. Are you the one in your friend group who always keeps things on track? Whether it Blush 39s, planning trips, organizing group events, or staying on top of schedules. If you naturally enjoy managing tasks, handling communication, or bringing order to chaos, becoming a virtual assistant, VA, could be a perfect side hustle. VAs are in high demand among entrepreneurs, content creators, and small business owners who need help with things like calendar, coordination, inbox management, social media scheduling, research, or light customer service. You don't need a fancy degree, just strong communication skills, reliability, and a knack for staying organized. You can start offering your services right away through LinkedIn, or sign up on platforms like Belay, Zirtual, or Freelancer to find clients. With just a laptop and internet connection, you could be up and running this weekend, helping others stay productive while earning flexible income on your own schedule. Pet sitting or dog walking. Do you love animals and wish you could get paid just to spend time with them? The good news is you absolutely can. Thanks to apps like Rover and Wag, pet lovers can easily connect with local pet owners who need help with dog walking, pet sitting, or drop-in visits. With more people traveling, working long hours, or needing last-minute care for their pets, the demand for trustworthy animal care is booming. You don't need any special certification, just a genuine love for furry companions, some basic reliability, and a bit of free time. It's a side hustle that not only pays, but also gives you fresh air, light exercise, and tail-wagging company. Whether you 39RE looking to earn a little extra on weekends or fill your schedule with adorable clients, pet care is a fun and flexible way to do it. Sell digital products. What if you could create something once and earn from it again and again? That's the magic of digital products, a highly scalable and low-maintenance side hustle. Whether you're naturally creative or simply well-organized, you can design useful digital tools like planners, budgeting spreadsheets, resume templates, ebooks, or social media graphics using user-friendly platforms like Canva or Notion. Once created, these products can be listed on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, where people search daily for helpful, downloadable content content. The best part? There's no inventory, no shipping, and no ongoing production cost. It $39. It's a set it and scale it model, meaning once your product is live, it can generate passive income with minimal upkeep. Whether you $39.re looking to earn a little extra or build a full digital shop, this is a side hustle with serious long-term potential, and you can start creating your first product this weekend. Online tutoring or coaching. Are you skilled in a subject like math, writing, coding, or music? Or have you developed a valuable professional skill such as marketing, graphic design, or project management? If so, why not share that knowledge and get paid for it? Tutoring or coaching is a flexible and rewarding side hustle that allows you to teach others what you know, whether they're students who need help with schoolwork or professionals looking to improve their skills. You don't need to be a certified teacher, you just need a solid understanding of your subject, patience, and the ability to explain things clearly. Platforms like Wisent, Preply, or even Zoom sessions, you organize yourself, make it easy to get started. You can work with clients around the world, set your own schedule, and earn a meaningful income, all by helping others learn and grow. 5. Flipping items for profit. Have you ever stumbled across a hidden gem at a garage sale or thrift store and thought, I bet someone would pay way more for this? That instinct is the heart of flipping, the art of buying low and selling high. Flipping is a fun, practical side hustle that anyone can start, even on a tight budget. You can begin by sourcing items from local thrift shops, clearance, racks, flea markets, or even free listings on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. Then, list them for resale on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari, where buyers are actively searching for unique or discounted items. Some flippers make money from simple fixes, like cleaning, polishing, or better product photage. Rafi. It's like a real-world treasure hunt where every find could turn into extra cash, and with the right eye, you can start turning profits this weekend. Voiceover work. Have people ever told you that you have a good speaking voice? Do you feel confident reading aloud or narrating stories? If so, voiceover work could be the perfect side hustle for you. Voice talent is in constant demand for a wide range of projects, from audiobooks and YouTube narrations to commercials, e-learning content, and phone systems. The best part is that getting started doesn't require a professional studio setup. With a quiet room and a good smartphone or basic microphone, you can begin recording sample demos. Platforms like Fiverr, Voices.com, and ACX make it easy to showcase your voice and connect with clients from around the world. Voiceover work offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to work on your own time, at your own pace, and from the comfort of home, all while turning your voice into a valuable asset. 3. Print-on-demand products. Do you have funny, clever, or artistic ideas that would look great on t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags? What if you could turn those ideas into products and profit without ever handling inventory, packing boxes, or making trips to the post office? That's exactly what print-on-demand (POD) platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble allow you to do. You simply upload your designs, choose the products you want to sell, and the platform takes care of everything else, including printing, shipping, and even customer service. It39 is a low-risk, low-cost way to start your own online store, especially if you're creative and want to focus on designing rather than logistics. Whether you Theater39.re an artist, designer, or someone with a great sense of humor, POD gives you the freedom to build a brand and start earning, often within just a few days. Transcription services. To what extent do you have the ability to type swiftly while yet paying close attention to detail? If this describes your situation, then transcription could be the perfect option for you to enter the world of online job. Listening to audio recordings, such as interviews, lectures, or podcasts, and then accurately translating them into written text is what transcription entails. Because it is a career that is both flexible and independent, and because it can be done from any location, it is ideal for people who are more comfortable working alone without the need for video calls or attendance at meetings. This is made possible by platforms like AsRev, Go Transcript, and TranscribeMe, which make it simple to get started and provide projects that are suitable for both novice and seasoned transcribers equally. The more accurate and quick you are, the more money you have the potential to make. Your earning potential is directly proportional to your speed and accuracy. In addition, IT is an excellent method for developing abilities in concentration and listening, all while allowing you to work from the comfort of your own home and at your own pace. Start a niche newsletter. Have you ever felt a strong urge to talk about something you 39 are passionate about? Whether it 39 is sharing productivity hacks, offering parenting tips, discussing mental health topics, or even diving into fun, obscure trivia, starting a newsletter gives you the perfect outlet to turn that passion into something meaningful and potentially profitable. With platforms like Substack and Beehive, launching your own email newsletter is incredibly easy and completely free, even if you have no technical background. These tools allow you to write and send content to subscribers, build a community around your interests, and grow your reach over time. As your audience grows, you can begin to earn money by offering paid subscriptions or partnering with brands through sponsorships. While this isn't Lush 39 Toy, a get-rich-quick scheme, it requires time, consistency, and genuine value. Starting a newsletter can become a sustainable and fulfilling side hustle. The best part? You can write and send your very first issue this weekend, planting the seeds for something much bigger. Thanks for watching and subscribing channel.
Now you can replace your job and win your sovereignty, your freedom back, right? Because we are humans that are supposed to be free on this planet. There are some companies that are cool to work for, right? Like we've got the agreement that you are getting mentored while you work for me. You're adding value to my life. I'm adding value to your life. There are companies like that, and